Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo, Christian Financial. Thank you so much for watching Real Estate, our podcast, Where America Goes for Funding. For the last 20 years, we've been serving America, helping America grow, offering the best residential and commercial loans in America. We're here to help you. Call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331. Today, we're talking about closing costs and can you take a loan out to pay for your closing costs? I get this question asked to me literally 1,000 times a week. Hey, Angelo, I'm short funds for my down payment. Hey, Angelo, I'm short funds for my closing. Can I just take a loan out for my closing costs? So I want to talk about this because this is a very, very, very important topic, all right, that a lot of people aren't aware of. When you're buying real estate, whether it's commercial, residential, doesn't matter, all right? You cannot take out a loan for your closing costs, okay? So let me repeat this. If you're trying to buy real estate, commercial or residential, you cannot take out a loan for your closing costs. It's prohibited. It's not allowed. Now, I said you cannot take out a loan for your closing. That doesn't mean that somebody else cannot take out a loan. It means you cannot take out a loan. What are the acceptable sources for down payment and closing costs? You can either use your own funds, checking or savings. You can use your 401k or retirement. You can sell your assets. Like if you have a car, you can sell your car as long as you can produce a bill of sale, okay? You can get a gift for the money. You can get a gift for the money, meaning you get a gift from your mom to help you to buy the house. You get a gift from your dad, your uncle, your employer. These are the acceptable sources to use for down payment and closing costs. Now, the thing is that where that gift comes from, let's say you get the gift, the money from your mother, she gives you the funds for the down payment. They're also going to want to see a copy of the bank statement from your mother that gave you the gift. Okay? Now, if your mother took out a loan, that's her business to give you the money, but you can't take out a loan because you're our borrower and you're not allowed to take out a loan for the down payment or closing costs. But if your mom took out a loan and she did that for her own reasons, she's the signer, she's the borrower on that loan, that's her business and has nothing to do with us on our loan. But if she gifted you the money, that's totally acceptable. So I want to make sure this is very clear, because if you're in the middle of trying to buy a home, for example, and you go run down to your bank or you try to get a payday loan or a cash advance from your employer, you cannot do that. You can get a gift from your employer, but you cannot get a loan from your employer to buy the house. That's prohibited. That's not allowed. So I want to talk about this because this comes up all the time. And some customers, some people, their loan actually gets denied because they didn't watch this video or they're not subscribed to our channel, and they go through a loan process and they get a loan for their down payment or their closing costs, and they give that to their underwriter, to the lender, and the loan gets denied. Don't let that happen. You don't be a victim. That's why we made this show. That's why we made this channel, to educate you, to empower you, so that way you are aware, so you have all the knowledge, all the information before you go to get financed so you can get the best loan. But you can't take out a loan for your closing costs. It's not allowed. Well, there's other solutions and strategies that you can do, that you can employ to help you to get funding. So if we can help you, we offer all different types of loan programs: FHA, VA, USDA, conventional, hard money loans, commercial loans. Call or text us at the number above, the 832-431-6331, or in the YouTube description, you can actually click on the link below to get signed up, to get pre-approved. Share this with anyone that you know that's trying to buy a house, so that way they have the knowledge and they're aware that you cannot take out a loan to pay for your closing costs. It's not allowed, but there are other acceptable things that you can do, like we talked about. Use your savings, you can sell assets, you can get a gift. There are other ways to make it happen if you're short funds to close. So thank you so much for watching. Angelo, Christian, we really appreciate you, and check out my next video, and thank you.